Hello everyone. Good evening. Buenas tardes everyone. How are you today? Welcome back to another mukbang. I know it's been weeks now that I haven't not made a mukbang. So again, I know you guys are like, oh, she's making excuses. But no, you guys, I've been really busy lately. And so today on the menu, so we have some mostaccioli, homemade mostaccioli, and some meatballs, some breadsticks, and also a chicken Caesar salad. So that's today for the menu. And I'm super duper hungry. And to all my new subscribers, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for subscribing. And also to my subscribers who left a lovely comment. I think it was on my Wendy's channel. And no, I'm not going to give up on mukbangs. And thank you so much for the kind words. Much love, all of you. And so this is homemade mostaccioli. Like that. Meatballs, spicy meatballs. And I made this in the past before in my vlogs. So if you guys have not seen my vlogs, go check it out. And to my own newbies, I also make vlogs here, so go check them out. And also have some mukbangs in this channel as well. So go check them out and I hope you guys enjoy. And some parmesan breast stick here. Yum. So I really thought it was a cheese breast stick, so but they're not. And this is also a chicken Caesar salad that I purchased at the grocery store. I have not had this in a while. And also, just to give it a kick, a bunch of chili peppers here. So let's get started. I'm super duper hungry. So how are you guys? How you guys been? Can't believe it's March already. About to have some spring water. And so I've been microphone shopping lately, and I'm trying to find the best one so far. And I think I found the one, but I haven't purchased it yet. So, but I need to look, you know, backgrounds of it and everything. Some Parmesan cheese. And I am going to be making some ASMR mukbangs, so that's also going to be in my channel as well, guys. Well, let's dig in. Ooh, look at the steam out of it. Salud, everyone. That means cheers. Take a bite, you guys. Careful, it's hot. Oh my god. Wow. Like, my friends and my family loves when I make this pasta. They just devour it. Like, excuse me. But this pasta, sorry, I got like a piece of beef almost down my throat. Ah. Mmm. Oh my god, this is so good, you guys. Wow. Oh my god. It is phenomenal, you guys. Phenomenal. Forgot to get another fork for my pasta, for my salad here. That's okay. try this meatball here. Look at that, you guys. Spicy meatball. Mmm. Wow. This is so good, you guys. So what's up, you guys? What's new with you? New month, new page. Let's see what God has in store for us. Mmm. Wow. You guys would have tried my pasta. It will take seconds for it to be all gone. Because that's how good it is. I'll be burning my tongue with this. But I need that kick. That spicy meatball was not enough of the kick. Mmm. Wow. Like I was supposed to make a mukbang a couple of days ago, or 2 days ago. But my mom was in the process of buying, she just purchased some new appliances. So we got new fridge, new stove, new dishwasher, new microwave. If you guys can see a little bit on the beginning of this video. Oh my God. Mm. It's hot. Not that bad. So I got the day off tomorrow. Much needed. For the past day, work has been so just stress. overwhelming. I think every job is like that. Oh, let's try this pasta. I mean, this salad. See, this pasta's so good. Like, can't stop eating it. So let's try this chicken salad. Caesar chicken salad. And did you guys know? So, excuse me. So I don't know if you guys know this. So I was watching this YouTuber. He does like, you know, traveling. He does food traveling. He's like one of my favorite food travelers. His name is Mark Wings. And he has traveled all over the world just to try food in their culture. So he went to Tijuana, Mexico. So, and I didn't know that Mexico invented the chicken Caesar salad. Very interesting. But so far, it's a really good salad. Wow. This is so good, guys. There's nothing wrong. There's nothing that goes wrong with chicken Caesar salad. Like the best one I've had so far was, I think it was in Applebee's. Mmm. Wow. Let me take a big bite. This is that good. Look at that. Mmm. Excuse me, guys. Mmm. Sorry guys, I know I'm not doing a lot of talking about. This food is so good. So my friend, she was telling me this funny story. So she's a manager in a dental office. So this patient comes in and she wanted to get her teeth checked out. She's only 13 years old, patient. And because I know about it, but like so there's this word that people used to say all the time. And so the doctor goes in there and he's like, oh, like, so she had braces on and he was like, how many times do you brush your teeth? And she was like, yeah, I brush my teeth all the time. Like, I brush my teeth like 3 times a day. Like, 3 times a day. And the doctor was like, "Are you sure?" She's like, "Yeah." And all of a sudden she's like, "No cap." I know last year a lot of people were saying that. I mean, I don't know. I don't know how people still say it to this day, but. And then her doctor kept saying it to the assistant. And they were like, "Oh, don't say that." I thought it was funny though. And then I kept saying it to my sister and her fiance. They just kept getting annoyed. Water. So what's your guys' favorite pasta? Mine is this one. I want to give a special shout out to my friend's nephew. His name is Eli. Hi, Eli. I miss her nephews. It's been a while. I haven't seen them. So the area she used to live, like, they will always come over to her house, you know, to hang out with her and everything. You know, they like spending time with her, with the tia. So, and when I go there, I always see them, and I love hanging out with them. I'll be open, always having my friends on her toes. Playing video games and everything. I'm sorry, I can pronounce the words so well, guys. I have so much food in my mouth. Mmm. Almost done with the bowl. So I hope you guys are enjoying my mukbangs. I am gonna make another one. So I haven't thought about what I wanted to make. So I know I said this in the previous mukbang when I was doing my Mondays. So I'm not gonna have any fast food right after Lent's over. And for all my newbies, if you guys haven't seen my my mukbang, so I'm not gonna do any fast food after Lent is over. Again, if you guys don't know what Lent is, go Google it. All the information is there. So again, you guys, I gave up on sweets, fast food. So far is the only two things I gave up on during Lent. Ooh. So for the people who know what Lent is, what are the things that you're giving up on? Leave a comment down below. So last year, so the people who know me, you guys know I love my condiments. Ketchup, hot sauce, ranch, mayonnaise, mustard, barbecue. So I gave up on condiments last year. And I'm like, I'm never doing that again. It was bad. So I give up on fast food. Sweets and my condiments. And man, luckily I pulled it off almost for 2 months being on Lent. But oh my god. I'm like, I needed my condiments and my food. Apparently there was gonna be a snowstorm last week. But it literally hit Indiana, which is next door of Illinois. So apparently, so today's Wednesday. You'll be seeing this on Thursday. So, Thursday, I think we're gonna have a snowstorm. I need to see it to believe it. Because quite frankly, that was supposed to hit last week. So, next month, I know I said this before. So next month, I'm going on a cruise ship for a week. Almost 2 weeks. So don't miss that out, you guys. So this is going to be my first time going on a cruise ship. It's called Carnival Celebration. So this is a new cruise ship. And they just got done making it last year in November. I was searching it up. And man, they have a lot of cool stuff on there. And so I'm really, really excited to see and to explore. And it's going to be a really awesome adventure. So you guys don't want to miss it. So we're going to land in Miami. I think we're going to stay there for 2 weeks right before the cruise ship departs. And so I'm not going to promise you guys this, but I'm going to try to make it happen. Again, I'm not going to make any promises, but I'm going to see if they have an In-N-Out over there. And if they do, and if we land there the first day, I think I'm going to make a mukbang over there. So, I mean, I've been wanting to try In-N-Out for years, ever since. Like, a lot of mukbangers, a lot of YouTubers were trying it, and I really wish they had one here around the Chicago suburbs. And so I'm gonna search it up to see if they do. I'm pretty sure they do have some in Miami. But yeah, so again, I can't make any promises. I'm gonna try, and if they do have one, then I'm gonna try to make one, guys. So yeah, so we're gonna be landing in Miami, stay there for a couple days, and then go on the cruise ship. I am so scared at the same time, but So it's gonna be a really cool experience. Months ago I bought my GoPro, and so I'm really excited about it, and I cannot wait to experience this nice moment, nice vacation. So a few of my family members are going. I'm going with my mom, my tia, which is aunt, and my cousins, and my other aunt is coming with us. So yeah, it's gonna be a nice experience. And I think also this year I might go to Cancun, Mexico during the summer. I'm not 100% sure yet. So I told my mom, like, you know what, I think we should go somewhere else because I already been there 3 times already. So I want to travel somewhere else, hopefully in the near future. So there's a lot of places I want to go. I don't think I told you guys, maybe I did. So my bucket list, I really want to go to Switzerland. So me and my friends are gonna make that happen for sure. And one of my friends want to go to Tokyo, Japan, and I want to go to, it's called Oslo, Norway. I really want to go there. And London, where else? Hawaii for sure, and Spain, Dominican Republic. There's a lot of places I want to go, guys. Oh, my main one I want to go is Bora Bora. So I would love to go there. The ocean there is beautiful. The beach, like the areas I want to go, they're so beautiful. So I am gonna make that happen. And so there's a lot of things I want to do here on this channel. So, and especially my other channel, because I know I want to make some short film videos. That's gonna be a working process, and I know it's gonna take time. So, but this is my main channel, and I am gonna still, you know, do mukbangs, do my vlogs, and so yeah, I think I am completely about to tap out. This was so delicious. And yeah, so you guys don't want to miss this vlog that I'll be making next month. So towards the end of April, it's gonna be a pretty long vlog, but I'm gonna record as much as I can. Well, actually, not much as I can. I am gonna record everything what I'm gonna do on there. It's gonna be a nice experience, and I'm really excited about this though. But yeah, if all the new subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. God bless every single one of you. I can't believe we hit 200 subscribers here. Let's hit 300, and hopefully before the end of this month. If not, that's fine. But yeah, it's gonna be a working process, you guys, and I have a lot of things I want to do for this channel, and especially my other one that have not started yet. So but yeah, so again, to my newbies, love you all, thank you again. And if you've not seen my other mukbangs or my vlogs, go check them out. And thanks again for your support. And to all my families and friends, I love you all, and God bless all of you. And thanks again, and I'll see you guys at the next video. Love you all. Buenas noches. Bye.